Hey everyone, you're here with Bo and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a detailed look at Litecoin. Now we're also going to have a look at some technical analysis of Litecoin by calculating the median returns on a per month and per year basis, and this will basically give us an idea on how Litecoin has performed since it came onto the market. Now you will actually have access to this spreadsheet as well, which will allow you to have a little play with it and see whether Litecoin is going to be a good investment for you or not. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, what is Litecoin? Well, Litecoin is very similar to Bitcoin, where its primary purpose is to be used as a digital currency or a digital store of value. Now, Litecoin was founded in October the 7th, 2011 by a former Google employee by the name of Charlie Lee. Now, Litecoin was created by forking the Bitcoin blockchain back in 2011, allowing Charlie to make upgrades to the Litecoin blockchain by implementing protocol upgrades such as segregated witness and the Lightning Network. Now, these technical improvements and upgrades to the Litecoin blockchain basically allow transactions to be processed at a much faster rate and also reduce potential bottlenecks in the network during periods of high transaction volumes. Now, Litecoin has a market cap of around $2.5 billion, putting it at the sixth highest priced cryptocurrency in the world at this current time. Now, Litecoin has a very strong development team and development process, which are continually looking to add Litecoin to new services and new businesses where consumers or customers can use that Litecoin to purchase goods. Now, as we can see here on the litecoin.com website, there's already many different businesses and services that accept Litecoin as a form of payment right now. As a bit of a fun fact, there's actually a few Subway restaurants in the Czech Republic which now actually accept Litecoin and Bitcoin to buy your Subway sandwich with. Okay, so now with that out of the way, let's have a look at Litecoin's investment performance history by crunching some numbers and seeing what comes back. Okay, so just to explain what I have done, using CoinMarketCap's historical data, market data of different cryptocurrencies, I have exported the entire date range for Litecoin. I have then sorted it by the start and the end of the financial years. And then what I've done is I've taken the difference in the price from the start of the financial year to the end of the financial year, and I've then calculated the change in the price and then calculated the percentage change of the price as well. Now, taking that percentage and dollar change, I've worked out the average increase, be it either a positive or a negative increase during that financial year. The average really just gives us an indication because we don't want to use an average for our calculations, because unfortunately averages take in the outliers where you might have random events where you have a very high price and a very low price, and we don't want those outliers. So what I've done is I've calculated the median increase on a per year and a per month basis. Now over here on the LTC Calculator tab, what I have done is I have summarized the yearly median ROI or return on investment, both as a yearly, and a monthly and a weekly, to give you some indication on how Litecoin has performed. Now, as you can see here, there has been a yearly median return on investment or ROI of 30.54%, a monthly ROI of 2.55%, and a weekly median ROI of 0.59%. Now down here, what I've done is in Australian, US, Euros and British pounds, is I have allowed you to input the number of Litecoin you may wish to purchase at any given time. So as an example, let's just put in 10. It will then take the current live market price and calculate how much that would cost in your native currency. The second step is you would put in the number of years you intend on holding that Litecoin for. So again, as an example, let's put in 10 years. The spreadsheet will then take that investment that you have put in, and it will calculate where that investment may be in terms of a dollar value from the number of years that you've put in, and using that median data that we calculated and went through just earlier. Now in step 3, it will tell you what your investment could be worth based on that data and based on that number of years you intend on holding it for. And then in step 4, it will tell you the increase of your initial investment after that set amount of time. So that's pretty much it, guys. Using that data we have at the moment, taking the median, so we don't want those outliers, this could be used as a handy tool if you're looking at purchasing X number of Litecoin and you want some form of indication on how that may perform over the years. Now, please use this with complete caution. This is an educational tool based on the data we have at the moment. As you guys know, I'm not an accountant, nor am I a broker. At the end of the day, the data is important. However, as we all know, cryptocurrencies are highly reactive to market news. We could have a well-performing currency one day and the next day some bad news comes out, such as what happened with China recently, which will send it down into the floor. So guys, you're all responsible. I really hope you find some value in using this spreadsheet. Please jump in and use it whenever you like. There will be a link in the description to this spreadsheet. And please, if you have any comments or feedback or adjustments or things you would like to see, I would love to hear it from you. Now, just to let you guys know, for those that have been following me for a while will know that I've done a similar spreadsheet in my video on whether you could live on 3 Bitcoins or not. Now, just so you're aware, I have updated the spreadsheet and have done some amendments to the calculations. Now, the median increases have come down slightly from what they were in that video. However, the calculations are far more accurate now and represent a much truer representation of the median. So I'm actually quite happy with where it's at the moment. So if you want access to this spreadsheet, then go and watch my video on whether you can live on 3 Bitcoins or not and how would you spend it, and there'll be a link to the description of that video which will give you access to this spreadsheet too. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you find some value in using this spreadsheet. If you would like me to do further technical analysis and some statistics on other cryptocurrencies, please let me know because I will do them. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a like. And if you want to subscribe, then I would love you to as well. So thanks again from me, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.